Hey guys, Quickscope and Gods 45 here to show you my lucky tomahawk kill. Actually, it's on a 1v1, but you know, how long is it? Okay, this one might be it. I'm not sure. So it's hard to do this with one hand. Sorry. You see the tomahawk? Oh man. Sorry, it's hard. Nope, that's not it. Hey, you got it. It's almost there. So it's pretty soon, but it's like it bounces off this chimney and hits him all the way over there. So as you can see, the tomahawk is going towards the chimney. Sorry. See, it bounces off the chimney. Goes, where did it go? It's over here. It's right there. There you go. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's the next one. It's the next one. That's just showing you. I'm just showing you the motion that it goes. Sorry if it's a little bad quality. I don't have a capture card yet. So what? Go cry about it to someone else. I don't care. Alright. So that bounced off the chimney. It bounced off the chimney, right? It's up here. Oh, sorry, my finger's in the way. Can you still see it? And it kills it. You guys want to see that again? Pretty cool, huh? So all you really have to do is go here. We're gonna rewind it again. Is just go over here. It's the greenhouse. Stand right in that corner. Throw it up at the chimney right there, and then it'll bounce all the way over here, hopefully ricochet off of this and kill them. Here, let's play it again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, me killing him. I actually lost that one 18-11 because we were in super fast speed, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Try it on private match, even on an actual match when someone's camping right there or planting the bomb. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later. Oh, and make sure you don't forget to comment down below, like, subscribe. You want a 1v1 on PS3? Just let me know.